Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a Python code that I've written that allows you to use RAG, also known as retrieval augmented generation, which then parses the document, vectorizes the information, or I should say indexes it, and then allows you to query it with a language model. So what I'm using for the embeddings is LM Studio. There's two different models I'm running here. One is specifically for the embedding, and then there is Phi3, which I'm using to do the completions. All right, so I'll just kind of give you an example of how it works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find a file here, and I'm going to drag it into the web interface, which I'm using Gradio for. And we can add the document. And then what that does, it sends it to LM Studio. It creates the embedding. And we can see here is part of the embeddings. Then what we can do is we can query that information. So I can say, tell me about BEL.Solutions. So then what it's doing is it's sending that information over to the LM Studio API, which is at the bottom left, and it's generating a response. And let's see if I can show you the part where it referenced the document. Okay, yeah, so this content down below is how I know that it referenced the article that I uploaded. I was running into an issue with some of the earlier versions I created. You can see that I'm on, I guess, version 8 now, where it would continuously reference indexed information, even though it wasn't relevant. So like now if I was to ask it like how big is the moon, it should not reference the article as before it was. And then you would get a mismatch of information that didn't apply. All right, so we can see that it worked, and we can see that there's no mention of BEL.Solutions, which is perfect. As I mentioned before, when I was making this code, it would continuously mention all the other embedded information. So this could be great, say if you wanted to find out some information on like a parts manual, any kind of documentation, as long as it's in text format currently, you can query that information and get an output, which kind of saves you the time reading throughout the whole thing if you're looking for something specific. I'm going to have this code listed on my website. Feel free to check it out. I'm also thinking about expanding this to PDF documents and to having it where it caches all the embeddings locally. So then you can parse through more than one document at a time. Thank you for watching, and please rate and subscribe.